Here we have 7 plus 2x. So this is 7 inches, and then this is 4 inches. We add x and x. And then this here is 4 plus 2x. And that is going to equal 38. So this, when we solve for x, it's going to give me the area of, or how long my framing material would have to be, because we have 38 square inches of framing material, and then here is the dimension of x that we're solving. So first, to solve this, we're going to have to do some work before we put it in the quadratic equation. So if I have 7 plus 2x and I'm multiplying 4 plus 2x, you need to multiply 7 times 4, it's 28. 7 times 2x would be plus 14x. 2x times 4 would be plus 8x. And then 2x times 2x would be plus 4x squared. So what I'm going to do here is rewrite it in standard form. So 4x squared. 14x plus 8x would be plus 22x. And then plus 28. Remember, that equals 38. So then what I'm going to do is subtract the 38 from both sides. And we have 4x squared plus 22x minus 10 is equal to 0. So now we solve. So we have a equals 4, b equals 22, and c equals negative 10. And then to do that, our x would equal negative b, so negative 22, plus or minus the square root of 22 squared minus 4 times 4 times negative 10 all over 2 times a, or just 8. So now I'm going to calculate this part of the quadratic formula. So we have 22 squared minus 4 times 4 times negative 10. So that's 644. And we're going to do the square root of 644. So square root of the second answer is 25.38. So we have negative 22 plus or minus 25.38 all divided by 8. So my two solutions, negative 22 plus 25.38 divided by 8, and negative 22 minus 25.38 all divided by 8. So that's going to give us 0.4225. And then here, this is going to be negative, which won't make sense, but we can still work it out. So negative 22 minus 25.38 divided by 8 gives us negative 5.92, but it doesn't make sense to have that as a length. So our frame is about 1/2 of an inch wide. Because if I were asked to cut something that's 0.4225 inches without a specific type of saw, I'm probably just going to be able to cut 1/2 of an inch. So we're going to skip problem 2 and go on to our assignment.